Hey everybody, it's Nate Charles. Welcome back to an ad hoc episode of the Rule of Law Brief. Wasn't going to do one video today. It's the day after Thanksgiving. I'm actually enjoying some sightseeing with my wife, who is a Marine Corps major and can corroborate pretty much everything I'm about to tell you. But we just found out from the headlines online that the Washington Post is reporting that Pete Hegseth, just prior to one of these operations in the Caribbean against a drug boat, ordered SEAL Team 6 to raid the craft and leave no survivors. It was an explicit order. I am an attorney. I am a former federal prosecutor, National Security Division. I am a former Navy SEAL officer. And I am a former officer who was assigned to JSOC, to Joint Special Operations Command. In all of those capacities, if there is any truth to Pete Hegseth, to these rumors, if there's any truth to the reporting about Pete Hegseth, I can tell you with absolute certainty that Pete Hegseth is not only incompetent, he is in fact a war criminal. There's been a lot of debate over the past week or so about the video where Mark Kelly and some other Democratic lawmakers said it's okay to disobey illegal orders. This is one of those patently illegal orders that everybody should have disobeyed. At this point, I think Pete Hegseth absolutely needs to be impeached. I mean, he should have been impeached a long time ago for being incompetent. But at this point, he's not just incompetent; he's a war criminal, and he needs to be impeached immediately for that. And frankly, whatever officer at JSOC said okay to that order without pushing back on it, at this point also needs to be fired. And I'm saying that as somebody who has been in that position. That is a patently illegal order. It is a violation of U.S. law. It is a violation of the customary laws of armed conflict and a violation of the Geneva Conventions. Anybody that was involved in the receipt of that order and anybody who failed to push back on that order needs to be held accountable, to the point of probably being removed. This is really bad, and I didn't think it could wait to be addressed. So this is not good news. It is proof positive that we have a presidential administration that is both not only incompetent, but completely unhinged, completely untethered to both U.S. law and international law. And it needs to be stopped.